What's up, little ducks, and welcome back to another episode of Saturdays with Spy Guys, where I go over what Spy did, where Spy is going, and the potential moves that we could have taken as traders. So let's check it out. So the first thing that I want to call out, guys, is that line there represents the 8-day moving average for Spy Guys, and in the last video, I told you that we were almost at 50% from the all-time highs, guys, and here they are. Let's go ahead and measure this again. And this time it looks like we are 9% down, guys, at that bottom. But if I go from the bottom to the current high, guys, we are at 8.35%, guys. That means and this is the cool math, guys, we are about 2% away from the all-time high, guys. I think a big move is coming, guys, so let's get at it. Now, let's just call out the obvious, guys. We had SPY from the bottom of the week, guys, to the top. It was an incredible move, $30, guys. Now, we did start the week out a little bit choppy, and you can see from the open, guys, it just took off and went up about $4, which is not bad, guys, okay? And then we just came across and never went above that number again. And of course, we came down on the next day, guys, and then up across again. And then we had the big boom, guys, okay? I just want to call out these lines we're going across, guys. We were hitting a lot of resistance, and the reason being, guys, is because the stock market wants to go up, in my opinion, but they are going to wait for this Iran news, guys, the war. They want to see a peace treaty. They want to see a ceasefire. And somehow we need to hear Iran say it, which is a little bit crazy to me. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. And we are in a very volatile time, guys. So stay patient. The clear things that stood out this week to me, guys, were when we were above the 20-day, guys. Look at that, okay? We did pretty good, and this is what you want to watch, guys. Like I said before, once they go above and you have a nice bull run, guys, you can jump into a trade, okay? And as long as you are above this line, you're going to do pretty good, guys, okay? So obviously, we went up high, guys, and we had a couple of good moves on the put side. So let's go ahead and get started. You guys know I like measuring this stuff off. So let's check out the first two moves, guys. So we had a move going to the upside. Like I said, as soon as the market opened, they just started going, guys. $4.67. Now, on the next day, guys, we had an $8 drop in the actual stock market for whatever reason, right? We had news, we had numbers, all that good stuff. Everybody says. I think at the end of the day, people were taking profits, guys. And that's just my personal belief. It goes up. People make money. They're going to sell off. I was too. Now, the second trade, guys, I did take, and I'm going to show you why, guys. If we go down to the dominator assistant, guys, you can clearly see we had a sell signal there, guys. And as soon as that sell signal came on, guys, for me, I saw the top of this. Guys, I was in, okay? And, okay, this indicator, guys, right now has not failed me in a big way, guys. This indicator on my 20-minute cycles, guys, I have the 720 strategy. We are at a 95% win rate, guys. That means that you will lose one or two, guys. But right now, in the community, guys, this is 95%. Some people are at 91%, guys. Still, great number to be in, okay? So now, guys, okay, if you guys have seen my previous videos, you can see that after this sell signal, what do we have next, guys? We had a nice buy signal, and I like my buy signals at the bottom. And when they start coming up, guys, this is the time to enter a trade. And if you were in my Discord community, guys, and you entered the trade, you would have been up $5.47 with your trade, guys, okay? This is options trading I'm talking about, guys, and you know how beautiful that can get, guys, okay? So now This was simple to me, guys. Check it out. I'm going to take my little trusty arrow here and I'm going to move it over, and you're going to be able to see that we had a nice sell signal there, guys. Okay. And I always tell everybody in the community, once you get that sell signal, okay, I'm going to blow this up for you. You don't jump into the trade until you cross that white line. Okay. Clearly, we crossed, guys, and it started going down. And we had a nice little move down. Let me measure that up for you here. That was not as big, so let me shorten this up, guys. From that sell signal, guys, we had a nice little drop here. So it was about $4, $3.98. So we'll call it $4, guys. Okay. And again, next trade, guys. This is why I do these videos so you can see how this dominator works, guys. Look at this. We had our nice little crossover. It had our buy signal. We're already above. If you're a new trader, you don't take this trade. But if you're trading with me, okay, or you're trading by yourself and you're an advanced trader, yes, you take this trade, guys, okay? Because you've already done your homework. And I always call it
there
out in
it
my
is,
videos,
guys. How to do your
jumped
homework.
into
I
this
understand
trade,
the reliability
$5.41
in
this
this
indicator, guys. So we got that. I sold my stuff, guys. Okay. And the next day, this thing just ripped up on news about the ceasefire. Now, how do you trade that, guys? Who knows what's going to happen, right? But there was opportunity to jump into this trade, guys, the next day. If you go on my 720 strategy, guys, which I'm not going to do it here, but on the 7 minute, guys, we saw that there was a downturn with the stock, guys, and we can see that when the indicator told us to jump in, guys, there it is. But this is on a 7 minute with the 20-minute strategy, guys. And sure enough, there it is. We had that trade in the bull ring, guys. If you didn't take that trade, ask yourself why not, and why are you still using the same system? Now, again, on the 7 minute time frame, guys, we took another trade there, and you can clearly see as we kept going up and down, guys. Okay, you look down, we actually had a crossover and a dip in the 20 minute, guys. So this was winner, winner, chicken dinner right there. So we're going to take this, guys, and we're going to move this over so you can see from that sell signal, guys, when we crossed, okay, this was a nice little dip to take. So we're talking about $3 and change. And here's one of the best parts, guys. We had a buy signal that went under. I'm sorry, we went under the 20 line on the dominator system. And then when we came up, guys, okay, we took that buy signal right there. Check it out. Okay. Now, on that buy signal, guys, this is a 20-minute trade. Okay. We're going to go into the trade, and there it is. Okay. You had a nice move up here, but we know we don't get out of this trade until this sell signal comes on top, guys, and check it out. Nice little waiting game that is worth it. $7.23, guys. Now you could have sold at the top. If you're a new trader, get out. No problem, guys. Then you can get down or back in on the 7 minute flip. If you've watched my 720 videos, you'll understand when you can get back in the trade. Or if you know that the 20 minute is going to work for you guys, I call it out in the community. This 20 minute trade, okay, gave you $7.20, guys. Okay. Now, the rest of the week was a little choppy, guys. And if you look at the rest of the chart, okay, and let's go ahead and measure some of this stuff. We just went across, guys, for a little bit. And then we dipped a couple of dollars, okay, and then we came up $1.26, $1.40, and then we dipped again, guys. So these days here, guys, Thursday, this was about the afternoon on Thursday, and then the rest of Friday. On Friday, you could have taken a little bit of a dip here and had a little bit of money, guys. Not too bad. I'll take $2.80. Okay. But they got choppy, which tells me one thing, guys. Okay. They are ready to explode. Which way? I'm not going to tell you guys, but they're about to explode. Okay. If you want detailed information, guys, if you want detailed information on what's going to go on next week, where we're at, okay, I'm telling you, I have targets that I'm working on, guys. I'm going to call them out on Sunday. I'm going to put them in the Discord, guys. And if you're in my Discord, you'll be able to see where SPY is going to go, guys. Okay. I hope this video helps, guys. And if you found value in it, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or any tickers you have a question about, hit me up in the chat or in the comments below, guys, and I will answer that for you. See you on the next video.